In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the strike-through feature in your text editing, whether you're on a Windows or Mac system. Using the strike-through can be an invaluable tool when you want to show revisions, consider removing information, or simply strike out unnecessary text without completely deleting it. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this step by step. First, let's start with how you can highlight or select the text you wish to strike through. It's important to begin by identifying the portion of your text that you aim to strike out. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag over the particular section of text until it's all highlighted. This is a crucial first step as you need to ensure only the desired text is selected. Once you have your text selected, the next thing to do is head over to the Format menu. For most applications, this is typically found in the top menu bar. Click on Format, which will drop down a list of options for text customization. From this list, look for Text, often positioned as a sub-menu under Format. Once you've located text, hover over it, and another sub-menu will appear. From this sub-menu, choose the option labeled Strike Through. Clicking on Strike Through will immediately transform your highlighted text, marking it with a line through the middle. This simple action can be quite powerful in editing and reviewing documents as it allows you to visually manage text for revision purposes without eliminating content. Now, if you're someone who prefers using keyboard shortcuts to streamline your work, you're in luck. There are quick shortcuts tailored for both Windows and Mac users to apply strike-through even faster. For those on a Windows system, all you need to do is press Alt, combined with Shift and the number 5 on your keyboard. A quick tap of these keys will toggle the strike-through on for the selected text. On a Mac, the process is just as swift. You can achieve this by pressing the Command key, also known as the key, along with Shift and the letter X. This shortcut offers a convenient way to apply a strike-through without having to interrupt your workflow to navigate menus. Finally, if you decide that the text you struck through should be visible again, or if you've made a mistake, you can reverse the strike-through. To do this, simply reselect the text in question and then either access the Format menu as before to toggle strike-through off, or use the same keyboard shortcut you used to apply it. This flexibility ensures you can always edit your documents with ease and precision. And that's all there is to it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to use the strike-through feature efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy text editing.